Navigation started. Continue northwest, then in 100 feet arrive at the destination.
So envelope 16. You know, because of all the running that I'm doing, I started to feel hot. Come on, envelope 16, come on. I don't see you here. Maybe they have put in it in the wrong kind of packaging. Yes, as I said. That's the wrong one. Come on, what's going on? That's my water. Because to be honest, I feel so thirsty and I don't wanna drink much of water. It is house 113. I don't want to drink much of water because that's gonna make me
Navigation started. Due northwest, then turn left.
that's gonna make me want to go to toilet if I drink too much water in this in this a bit cold weather. That's gonna make me want to go to toilet.
In 150 feet turn left. Turn left, then in 150 feet arrive at the destination on your right. 150.
Oh, that's good. This is a 3 delivery in 1 delivery thing. 2 poly bag, 1 envelope, which is 42 envelope. That's fine, 42. This is 42, and 2 poly bags, and the poly bags in the passenger seats. The poly bags is 40, 44. This is 40. That's fine, 44. This is 44. I don't have that much of poly bags. That's a good thing, so I don't get lost. And it is house 264. Where's house 264? What is house 264? This is 265. Oh my god. This dog. Hello, doggy. This is not a terrifying dog. Hello. This is not a terrifying dog. I didn't want to go in because the gate was closed, and I didn't wanna the dog to run out, you know. And at that time, it's gonna be my responsibility that the dog ran out. Fuck. It's gonna be my responsibility that the dog ran out. Why did you let the dog run out? You're a bad person. That's why I have left all the parcels there
Head northwest, then in 400 feet arrive
in
at
the stairs.
destination on your left. Arrive at the destination on your left.
It's ebook 21. Ebook 21, guys. Let's find 21. Let's find 21. It's so far away. Let's... Yeah, this is 21. If I arranged it, that will be easier, but I didn't arrange them. So this is 247 house and front door. Choosing. Always you need to close the gates because these people have dogs and you don't want the dogs run away. It's gonna be your responsibility. I think they might report you to Amazon that you didn't close the gate and then their dog ran away. Ooh, we're coming, baby. Do I have to go to the right? Yes, I have to go to the right. And then go to the right again. Look at that beautiful sight. Look at that beautiful scene. I'm starting to breathe so hardly. It's envelope 82.
Navigations.
I'm running so fast, as I said, because I don't wanna the night comes and I didn't finish my delivery, and also I'm running so fast because I want to finish the delivery and not to have to, because the battery, because of the camera battery. I don't want the battery finishes. Fake. Let's go to 21 because it's so far away. That's what I mean, that when I said that you have to look your no. Let's go to 18. I have 18 here beside me. So go to the one who it is beside you. You don't go so far away. So
Navigation started. A U-turn, then turn right.
didn't put the brake. Small parcel. Ah, 72. This house number 148. This is 149. The other one 148.